Tayo bilang negosyante, our goal is to change our mindset, to change our beliefs, so that we can handle the business, we can handle other people, and more importantly, we can handle ourselves during a moment of change, because change is painful. Masakit po yung pagbabago, mabigat po yung pagbabago, mahirap yung pagbabago, I understand that. But the reality is we must change. Pag na-master mo na yung sarili mo, now's the time for you to create systems. And again, I was able to create 100 millions of revenue just because I'm good at creating systems and culture. But because of technology, you can watch this video for free. But right now, because of social media, because of technology, we are able to serve you for free. And this is technology. This is me creating systems. This is me helping you. So because of adaptability, we are able to create systems, structures, and designs for us to move forward faster, better, para hindi mapag-iwanan.